If you're retired or about to retire, this could be the most important video you watch this year, because while the media wants you focused on politics or celebrity drama, most Americans are missing the real threat to their wealth and their sanity. But one man in Tucson, Arizona, he didn't miss it. Dan Jenkins, 68 years old, former aerospace engineer, father of 3, he moved $500,000 into a gold IRA just 14 months ago. Today, that single move is the reason he sleeps through the night. No more panic checking the stock market. No more worrying about what another interest rate hike means for his savings. And it all started with a free guide. Now, before I tell you Dan's full story, you need to understand why this strategy is catching fire right now, and why so many smart retirees are making this move. Let's talk facts. On March 18th, the Federal Reserve confirmed that inflation is still well above target levels. Gold prices? They're hitting record highs, just crossed $2,300 an ounce for the first time in history. And 60 Minutes just ran a segment showing that over 20 regional banks are carrying unrealized losses that could trigger more collapses like we saw in 2023. If you think your 401k or IRA is safe just because your statements look fine, you're not seeing the full picture. The truth is, the system is stretched, and the wealth that took you 30, 40, maybe 50 years to build could unravel in months. That's the trap Dan wanted to avoid. Last year, he started asking the same questions you might be asking right now. Should I stay in the market? What if the dollar keeps losing value? Is there a safer way to protect what I've earned? That's when he discovered the Gold IRA strategy. And it wasn't some get-rich scheme or late-night infomercial. It was a simple, no-pressure call with a precious metals specialist who explained how he could legally roll over a portion of his IRA, without penalties, into physical gold stored in his name. Dan didn't move everything. He moved $512,300. And today, while the market rides another roller coaster, his metals have only gone up. More importantly, he says this: I don't worry anymore. I have peace of mind. That's something no stock ever gave me. And that right there is what most retirees are really looking for. Not just more money, more certainty, more security, more sanity. Now here's where you come in. If you have $100,000 or more saved in a traditional IRA or 401k, you owe it to yourself to at least get the facts. There's a free Gold IRA kit available right now that explains everything Dan learned and more. It includes a full breakdown of how the process works, what to expect, and how to see if it's right for you. This isn't about pressure. There are no gimmicks, no free silver catches, just education-first guidance from someone who knows the space. And here's the thing, Dan's story? It started when he requested that same free guide. If you want to protect your retirement from inflation, market crashes, and reckless monetary policy, this is your chance. Click the link, request your guide, and book your no-obligation call today. You've worked too hard for your money to leave it to chance. Give your future and your family the peace of mind they deserve.